Hi, my name is Mark Hudgen. I'm a director at Datum Monitoring Ireland, a SOCOTEC company. We're a geotechnical and structural monitoring company who provides instrumentation and monitoring services to the construction, civil engineering, infrastructure sectors. We've been in business for 26 years. We have extensive experience designing, installing, maintaining various instrumentation systems for various projects. We received a tender from the Department of Economy to measure the settlement at Carrickfergus abandoned mines. The mines were constructed back in the 1800s. Previously, the mines have been monitored using manual techniques, topographical and some airborne measurements. But the Department for Economy wanted to make it on a more continuous basis, which would have included GNSS meters. The site is 75 acres across 3 separate mines, and the Department for Economy had outlined 23 separate positions of concern and interest in which they wanted to measure the GNSS meters down to an accuracy of 2 millimetres. This was a 2-year project with the potential for extension. The client required daily reporting and also a web-based user interface to see the data from any web-enabled device.
So we at KOREC Group were delighted to sit down with Mark and the team in LDG to discuss the requirements of the project and what exactly was set out in the specification by the DFE for these mines in Carrickfergus. Ultimately, we came to the conclusion that the most viable solution was the GNSS meters from Worldsensing because they were the most practical and cost-effective solution for the specifications of this project.
So part of the solution was speaking to KOREC, our technical partner, was to use GNSS meters from Worldsensing. They use the LoRa protocol, which is long-range distance communications. And on site we've got 23 nodes dotted around a 75-acre site. And just behind me here we've got the base station. So the base station is the sensor which picks up the satellites and the corrections that would be provided to the other 22 nodes on site. So all of the nodes are powered by a 3.6 volt battery, and behind me here on the base station we've also got a solar panel. The solar panel is there to feed the gateway. The gateway needs to send the data from all of the nodes to the platform, the T4D platform. So certainly there is no supply around here, which is the reason why we had to have a larger panel to account for the lovely Irish weather that we've encountered during the winter. And so far it has ran with no issues. So thankfully the solar panel and the battery system that powers the gateway is able to run for the 2 years with no issues. So the system has been installed for the last 8 months, and so far we haven't came to site to repair. There was one instance where a node had went offline, but it was easily corrected through the handheld readout to get it to speak back to the gateway again. From a communications point of view, the LoRa protocol works in all weathers. So from stormy days to misty, foggy days, snow and hail, we're able to secure communications on an hourly basis, which is obviously from a maintenance perspective is great because we can trust the system will work through all seasons. Having KOREC as our technical partner has been a blessing. Not only have they got full knowledge of the systems that they sell, but have a hands-on experience being able to support with installation and any technical issues that may have arisen on site, namely cables. We had the wrong cable where KOREC were able to have that cable at hand. From a knowledge perspective, the setup of T4D and also from support in the background has been second to none. So we highly recommend KOREC as a technical partner for anybody looking to use this system. Where we could see the benefit of this type of system would be in the likes of dams, key walls at harbours, and also for the likes of the railway industry where you'd have cuttings, embankments, and the permanent way itself. We could also deploy this on kind of civils projects where you'd have basements, deep basements, and also tunnelling projects, which the Metro is going to be tunnelling through Dublin. A lot of infrastructure lies above ground, and having this reliable, accurate, continuous data would support that project immensely. It's a really simple way to monitor millimetre precision.